Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about 10 healthy foods that make us strong, smart, and full of energy. Let's go. Number 1, apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples give us vitamins and keep our body fresh. Number 2, carrots. Did you know that carrots are good for our eyes? They help us see better even at night. Number 3, milk. Milk makes our bones and teeth strong. So drink milk every day. Number 4, fish. Fish is brain food. It makes us smarter and helps us to study better. Number 5, bananas. Bananas give us quick energy, perfect for playing and running. Number 6, nuts. Nuts are full of power. They make our brain sharp and our body strong. Number 7, green vegetables. Eat your greens. Spinach, broccoli, and beans keep us healthy and protect us from sickness. Number 8, eggs. Eggs are full of protein. They help us grow tall and strong. Number 9, honey. Honey is natural sweet energy. It also keeps our throat healthy. Number 10, water. Water is the most important for life. Drink enough water every day to stay fresh and happy. Now, let's have a look at all the healthy foods again. Here is a fun fact about the foods we eat. When we eat different types of food, our body converts them into energy so that we can stay active throughout the day. Carbohydrates and fats are the best foods for energy. Now, let's do a fun exercise. Stand up, stretch your arms and legs, and jump like you are full of energy. Friends, did you know that junk food can make us tired and lazy? That's right, eating too much junk food can make our bodies weak and unhealthy. But when we eat healthy food, it gives us strength and energy to do all our activities with power. Let's take an example. Imagine that you have to climb up a mountain. If you eat lots of fruits and vegetables, your body will be strong and you will be able to climb up the mountain easily. But if you eat lots of junk food, your body will be weak and you will get tired very soon. That's why we should always choose healthy food over junk food. Let's make a healthy food plate together. A healthy food plate has fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and sometimes treats. Most of our plate should be filled with fruits and vegetables because they are very important for our health. Friends, now we will play a game. I will say the name of the food. You have to tell whether it is healthy or not. Is apple healthy? Yes, it is healthy. Then what about carrot? Yes, carrot is healthy too. How about pizza? Pizza is not healthy. What about fish? Yes, fish is a healthy food. And what about milk? Yes, milk is healthy. Friends, I hope now you know how important it is to eat healthy food. We should always choose healthy food over junk food so that we can be strong, smart, and full of energy. So friends, these are the top 10 healthy foods for our body. Which one is your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye.